Hi, Doug Stone, Remax Executive Realty, Westboro, with Rich, A1 Foundation. And this month's question, Rich, is, do I need to prepare my basement for winter?
Well, you should look around and do some preventative things. First thing is to go outside and one, make sure your gutters are clean. Two, make sure that downspouts that come from your gutters are clean and that the water would run away from the house and not come back. That's the first thing. Go outside and look at the concrete that's above the soil and see if there's any cracks there. If there are, they should be repaired because water gets into them, freezes, and opens up more and more. The other things that you want to do in reference to the winter is look inside. See if there's any cracks in the foundation. If you see any little rust lines from those little tie rods that you see, those dimples, that means it's leaking. And the winter is very difficult on foundations. Concrete expands and contracts. If you have a leak in a bulkhead and you get freezing and thawing, you're gonna have water coming in. So a lot easier to do it before the winter than when you're away on vacation during Christmas or Thanksgiving.
Yeah, great, thanks.